celebrating Greenfest at Brookside Gardens, and this is a partnership of Brookside Gardens and a number of Montgomery County government agencies, including DEP, WSSC, and the DOT. Get all the acronyms in, right? And also some local nonprofit organizations like Montgomery Green, Bethesda Green, and One Montgomery Green. The goal of Greenfest is to let people know what they can do at home or in their workplace, with their families, or at school. There's all sorts of opportunities for us to green our lives. Different people have different things that they're really passionate about. So maybe there's someone who really loves EV cars. We have those here today. If you want to learn about gardening or the importance of bees, there's all these different opportunities.
I am a huge plant person. I love plants and I love nature, and I'm a strong environmentalist, and I always learn something at this program, and I can't believe how many people are here.
One of our partners this year is DOT, so we have ride-on buses running from the Glenmont Metro, so if people take public transportation, they can get here more easily. The great thing about all of our partners is we all do programming year-round, so there's opportunities to learn year-round with all of our partners, but you should put it on your calendar for next year.